Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Friday, June 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla up $10.98, 1.72%. Post-market, closed at 650.28. Post-market down by 28 cents. Let's look at the chart, because if we only look at the number, we have no context at all. So looking at the chart, so today we have a green candle with some selling pressure. You see this little bit of a wick, so the price tried to go up and it went up during the day, but then sellers were more powerful and then pushed the stock back down a little bit. Not as down as where it opened, but it finished down. It opened going up and it's finishing down. So we made a lower high and we made a higher low. So basically this is a sideways day. We still have 619.66 as our very important support. Let me just play with this a little bit to make this a little bit clearer. And the major resistance is we have two. I should only put the second one emphasized. Yeah, so we are into this big wedge, as I mentioned yesterday, big wedge here, wedge like this and wedge like this, and the stock is going to have to make a decision. So it can do anything here, and we don't really need to act on it because this is just noise at the daily chart level. And at some point, it's going to break this. It's going to either break the resistance or break the support. And coincidentally, someone mentioned it in the comment, we have an earnings report, an earnings call on July 25th. Let me tell you, maybe the stock is just going to wait and then we'll see what happens here. If we have a great quarter for Tesla, maybe it's going to go up. We had a great quarter here, April 20th, announced April 20th, and the stock went down. So you see, there are no sure bets. Going on to, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, yeah, this is the start of the day right here. Went quite high. I went as high as this downward resistance that we have had for a little while. Then a 2nd hour climb. And now look at this perfection, guys. This is, and girls, this is a downward resistance. And look at how perfectly the stock is caving into this. If you see this, you should just believe technical analysis. Yeah, so just a little bit of a move up, but we cannot cross this resistance and we don't have stochastic over 60 even on the 1 hour chart. So this was not very convincing anyway. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart at 17. MACD, are we losing MACD? I need to be quick at math. No, we still have a MACD crossover. It might not last that long. RSI at 40. We want it at 50. And the red line is above the green line and we want the opposite. So let's just be patient and let's just keep our eyes peeled for this support and this resistance, and then we'll be good to go. Okay. Let me look at the VIX a little bit. VIX is basically going sideways. Dow Jones, this is still going lower. We have a lower high, a lower low. We are following this support. We are a little bit far away, so maybe what we really have here is a double resistance kind of thing. I'm going to remove this one here. We don't need this. We don't need that one too. So I think this is the broad move. I think this is the broad move. S&P 500, pretty much the same thing. We are plateauing just a little bit for 1 day at least. NASDAQ Composite plateauing here, and NASDAQ 100 also plateauing. NASDAQ 100 is really on that support, right smack on that support. So maybe we are going to see a little bit of a move up next week. But if we cross this one here, then we might be going further down faster. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my trading video affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday. Unless you are a member with a special tier, then we are going to also talk on Sunday on a live show. So join us. I'm going to wish you a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.